We're at about 60. They're going 90. But we are talking about good fundamentals. You're doing great. And go slow, squeeze the brake now, and then stay to the right. There's a lot of wildlife over here, so a lot of eagles and hawks. Good, keep going. Don't go any slower. His time is a little bit off on the brake and the gas, but I'd rather have him go slow than fast. Yeah, they were going real fast. The Hellcats, Trackhawks, Mustangs, T-Rexes, they go really fast. Good, good. Stay to the right. You're doing great. And this is a double right turn. A lot of you say, well, he turned. I want my client to turn in the nearest lane because sometimes beginning drivers make wide turns. Good. He's setting up for a nice turn. And just wait for your green, You can turn array if it's clear, but we're just going to wait. And that Jeep is nice, but it could tip over. And this is a predetermined route that we take clients through over and over and over. Doing great. So we're just going to wait for the green. And then, of course, you see the do not enter one way. Make that beautiful right turn, brother. And it's a half turn. Turn slow. First lane. Nice. Keep turning. That's it. Yes, sir. Oh, that's good. Right turn up here. Squeeze. He is a lot better in entry. Good. It's all you. You're doing great. He's using the ball of his foot.